Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper cake. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a rectangular piece of paper. So I'm taking blue because I'm making a blue cake. You guys can take any color you'd like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper a little bit at the bottom part like this. So next step is that we're supposed to open it, and I'm taking a scissor and we have to cut the paper until the small line that we folded it until. So we have to cut it until that so that all the paper is gone. So we have to repeat this step continuously. So be careful while using a scissor because there are many incidents in which children cut their fingers. So we have to do this slowly. So I'm cutting it. So we should not cut it past the line because the cake won't be good enough. So we should only cut it until the line until we fold it. So we have to do this slowly. Like this. So after we complete it, we'll get a structure like this. So now I'm just going to be folding it one more time like this so that the mark will be clear. So I'm just folding it from the opposite side and I'm pressing on it from the top. So now I'm opening it and I'm just keeping the paper like this so that all the cutted parts will be at the bottom like this. So next step is that I cut out a blue circle. So I'm taking it. You guys can cut out your circle and keep it. So the next step I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be applying some glue on the bottom part of this paper all along the line. So I'm just applying some glue on this part. So we have to keep applying some glue all over here. So do not use a glue stick because if you use a glue stick, it won't be proper and it won't stick well as well. So just use a glue bottle or you can apply some glue on here. So after we complete this, I'm just using the glue bottle and I'm just spreading the glue along the paper. So now I'm just taking this part and I'm keeping it on one corner part and I'm sticking it. So now I'm just lifting this part and I'm just rotating this and we have to take this part down and we have to rotate it as soon as we stick it. So I'm just rolling it like this. So we have to do this slowly. So we have to rotate it and we have to keep it rotating until all the paper is over. So I'm taking a paper that is a little bigger than the size of the circle. So you guys can take it at the correct size as well. I'm going to be cutting it out at the end. But if it's hard for you guys, you can just leave it simple and you can take the correct measure of the paper. So this will take some time, so we have to roll it slowly and sometimes the tape might come off. But we have to keep it rolling. So I'm also almost going to be completed with this. So we have to do this slowly. So now we have came to the end of this and now I'm just going to be applying some glue on the corner edges of this paper and I'm just going to be turning this and I'm going to stick this over here. So you guys have to do this slowly because if you do it fast it won't be coming out properly. So now I'm turning it to the opposite side and I cut out another small circle in this color. So I'm just applying some glue onto the circle like this and I'm sticking this onto the bottom part of the paper like this. So now I'm turning this back to this side. So now we'll have a structure like this. So I'm also cutting out a squiggly line made of brown paper. So if you guys don't have brown paper, you can just color it in like I did. So I just took out a pink paper and I colored it in brown. So you guys can do that. And I'm going to be sticking it on the top line like this. So I'm applying some glue on the back part of this paper. So we have to apply glue slowly like this. So this is just a simple design. You guys can even do more designs and you can use it. But I'm just going to be making it simple. So I'm also rubbing my hands using this so that the glue spreads to all parts of the paper. So now after we complete this, I'm just sticking the part on top of the cup-like structure that will later be done into a cake. So I'm just spinning this and you guys can cut it out at the top, but I'm just going to be overlapping it on top of this and I'm sticking it. So after we complete this, we'll have a structure like this, and I cut out one more circle and I color it in blue at the top. So I'm just applying some glue around the top part of the paper, so it should be around the outer boundary. So I'm telling again, please do not use a glue stick because it won't come out properly if you use a glue stick. So I'm taking this part and I'm going to be sticking it on top of this. So we have to do this slowly. So I'm just applying some glue and I'm sticking this part on top of it. So after we complete this, our paper cake box will be ready. So you can use this as a home decor and other things as well. So I'm just going to be keeping it open for now. You guys can stick it on laterwards. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. So feel free to post a comment in my comment box. So I'll definitely respond to them and I'll upload a video that you want as soon as possible. So bye.